Hello everyone. Today we will start our chapter number 17. It's agriculture in India. So India is an agricultural land and most of the Indian people are engaged in agriculture. In India, two types of farming are widely practiced. First one is primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming depends upon fertility of soil, monsoon and other environmental conditions. It is a form of slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land for farming and grow food crops for their families. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. Our next type is commercial farming. It is characterized by the use of high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to increase productivity. In India, there are two major types of crops. First one is food crops and second one is cash crops. So first one is food crops. Food crops are those crops which are grown primarily to be consumed by the farmer and his family. For example, rice, wheat, millets, pulses, etc. These all are food crops. So next one is cash crops. Cash crops are mainly grown for sale in the market. For example, sugarcane, tea, coffee, spices, rubber, jute, etc. So first one is sugarcane. Sugarcane grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 degrees Celsius centimeter to 100 centimeter. So next one is tea. Tea is an important beverage in India and it is an example of plantation crop and it grows well in warm and moist free climate. So next one is coffee. India mainly produces Arabica type of coffee and its cultivation mainly takes place on the slopes of Nilgiri hills. So next one is rubber. Rubber is also used as raw material in industries and it grows well in moist and humid climate. So next one is cotton. It is also used as raw material in industries and it grows well in black soil of the Deccan region. Next one is jute. It is also known as golden fiber. It grows well on fertile soils in the plains. Next one is agricultural development in India. This has been achieved through various efforts like increasing the crop area, the number of crops grown, improving irrigation facilities, etc. And next one is livestock rearing. Livestock primarily means cattle or dairy cows, chickens, goats. Some other animal like donkey, rabbit and bees are also raised as a part of livestock rearing. Farmers usually take up livestock rearing as a sport activity to their mainline farming. So now we will solve its back exercise. First one is filling the blanks. Your first blank is primitive dash farming is an old form of farming. Its right answer is subsistence. Next one is commercial farming is characterized by the use of high yielding variety seeds. Next one is dash is the main food crop in north and northwestern in India. It's wheat. Fourth one is millets are coarse grains. Fifth one is maize is grown both as food and fodder. Sixth one is pulses are a major source of protein. Seventh one, cash crops. Cash crops are grown for sale in the market. And last one is tea is an important beverage in India. Next one is true and false. First one is agriculture is a charitable activity which the people of India have been practiced since ages. It's false. Second one is plantation is also a type of commercial farming. It's true. Second one is wheat is a cash crop. It's false because it is a food crops. Bajra grows well on a sandy soil. It is true. Tea grows well in warm and moist free climate. It's true. Sixth one is India mainly produces the Arabica variety of coffee. It's true. Rubber grows well in Punjab and Haryana. It is false. And cotton grows well in a black soil of the Deccan region. It is true. Next one is match the following do by yourself. So next one is question answer. Your first question is, what are the different types of farming practiced in India? In India, two main types of farming are widely practiced. First one is primitive subsistence farming and second one is commercial farming. Your second question is, what do you mean by food crops? What are the major food crops of India? So answer is, food crops are those crops which are grown primarily to be consumed by the farmer and his family. And the major food crops of India are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, etc. Your next question is, what climatic conditions are needed for the growth of sugarcane? So answer is, sugarcane grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Next question is, in what condition does tea and coffee grow? Tea and coffee grow well in warm and moist free climate. Next one is, define rubber and spices as cash crops. First one is rubber. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. It grows well in moist and humid climate. Next one is spices. India is known for its rich spices all over the world. Main spices grown in India are cloves, pepper, bay leaf, turmeric, etc. Next one is, which crop is known as golden fiber? Jute is known as golden fiber. Next one is, what agricultural development have taken place in India in recent years? Agricultural development in terms of better quality seeds and better equipment have increased the overall productivity in agriculture. And your last question is, how is livestock rearing practiced in India? Farmers usually take up livestock rearing as a sport activity to their mainline farming. And next one is, answer in one or two words. First one is, farming which is characterized by the use of high yielding variety seeds, pesticide, chemical fertilizer, etc. in order to increase productivity. Its right answer is commercial farming. Next one is, crops which are primarily grown by farmer and his family for consumption. Its answer is food crops. Next one is, cash crop whose cultivation mainly takes place on the slope of Nilgiri hills. It's coffee. Next one is, the period when Indian food production increased 3 times because of the advancement in agricultural methodology. It's Green Revolution. Last one is, raising of cattle or dairy cows, chickens, goats, pigs, horses and sheep. It's livestock rearing. So thank you.